Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on diagnosing the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Today, we will go through a detailed step-by-step process to help you identify common issues and potentially fix them. Let's get started. First, gather the tools you will need for this task. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you open the laptop safely without damaging any internal components. Now, before we dive in, please ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Safety first. If you're unsure about handling the device, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. To begin, remove the screws located at the bottom of the laptop. Typically, there are about 10 to 12 screws that you need to take out. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as they can be easily misplaced. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel of the laptop. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the clips that hold the panel in place. If you find it difficult, a gentle wiggle with the spudger can help release the clips. With the bottom panel removed, you now have access to the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible signs of damage or dust buildup. Dust can cause overheating, which is a common issue with laptops. If you notice dust, use compressed air to carefully clean out the vents and internal areas. This will improve airflow and cooling. Next, let's check the battery and connections. If the laptop isn't powering on, it could be due to a faulty battery. Disconnect the battery by removing the screws holding it in place and gently lifting it out. If you're unsure about replacing components, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. Inspect the battery for any swelling or damage. If you notice any issues, it may need to be replaced. Remember, we can provide a quote before repair so you know exactly what to expect. Now, look at the RAM and hard drive connections. Ensure they are seated properly. Sometimes, reseating these components can resolve boot issues. To do this, release the clips holding the RAM in place and gently pull it out. Reinsert it firmly, ensuring it clicks back into place. After checking these components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the bottom panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, to avoid stripping the screws. Finally, power on the laptop to see if the issues have been resolved. If the device still doesn't work, it may require additional diagnosis. Don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We provide services with no calls and no travel required, simplifying the process for you. Thank you for following along in this diagnostic guide for the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. With the right tools and steps, you can troubleshoot common issues effectively. If you encounter any complex problems, remember we are here to help with our comprehensive repair services and support. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.